Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. The most awaited updates, which everyone loves to hear, is about the Tejas Mark II fighter jet. This video will provide the latest information which has been prevailing in defense sources, and this is all about the weapons which have been lined up or cleared to be equipped with Tejas Mark II. The Tejas Mark II or medium weight fighter, as we all know, is a single engine delta wing multi-role fighter which is designed by Aeronautical Development Agency in collaboration with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Just like Tejas Mark 1A, even Tejas Mark II will be equipped with majority of indigenous weapons and missiles, but that doesn't mean it won't be firing other imported missiles. It would obviously have imported proven missiles as well, and this is what we are going to see in this particular video. So let us begin the list one by one. First one in the list is DRDO's Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon. The Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon is a long-range, precision-guided anti-airfield weapon currently developed by DRDO, and this has been designed to be capable of engaging the ground targets with high precision up to a range of 100 kilometers. Next one in the list is the Rudra anti-radiation missile family. Among the family, the Rudra M1, Rudra M2 and Rudra M3 has been cleared for Tejas Mark II fighters. These missiles are primarily meant for suppression of enemy air defenses that can be launched from a range of altitudes with large standoff distance for destroying the enemy surveillance radars, tracking and communication systems. Next one in the list is the Astra Mark I, Astra Mark II, Astra Mark III and Astra IR. These are air-to-air missiles that have been cleared for Tejas Mark II fighter jets. Coming to range details, Astra Mark I has a range of 110 km, Astra IR 80 km, Astra Mark II 160 km and Astra Mark III 350 km. Among the Astra missile family, the Astra Mark II, Mark III and IR are still under development. So that was the details about the indigenous missiles. Now let us see the imported missile and bombs list which has been cleared for Tejas Mark II. The first missile which has said to be cleared is the Storm Shadow or Scalp air-launched cruise missile which is manufactured by MBDA of France. The Scalp is an air-launched long-range deep strike missile designed to deal with pre-planned attacks against high-value fixed or stationary targets. Various studies have been conducted on the technical flexibility of integrating these French missiles, and it has been cleared successfully. Next one in the list is the Crystal Maze or Raptor missile. This missile is a part of Popeye family of air-to-surface missile which is developed and in use by Israel. This is most commonly used along with Indian Air Force Mirage 2000 fighters. Another Israel weapon which has been cleared is the Spice 2000 bombs which were used in Balakot strike. Spice 2000 is a guided kit which helps in converting the air-droppable unguided bombs into a precision-guided bombs. To add to the list, the next missile which has been cleared is the Russian Kh-31 anti-ship missile. These missiles were the first supersonic anti-ship missile which has been developed by Russia, and it has been mainly carried by aircraft such as MiG-29 and Su-27. Next one in the list which has been cleared for Tejas Mark II is the BrahMos next generation air-launched cruise missile. The BrahMos next generation is a mini version based on the existing BrahMos which will have the same 290 km range and a speed of Mach 3.5, but it will weigh around 1.5 tons and 5 meters in length and 50 cm in diameter. So this makes the BrahMos NG 50% lighter and 3 meters shorter than its earlier variants. So that was a quick overview of various indigenous and imported weapons and missiles which would make the Tejas Mark II or the medium weight fighter more powerful. This list might be partial since Indian Air Force might change the decision at later part of time. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.